My people, una do. Una we don't come my channel before. Welcome back. If today na the first time where they reach my channel, say na today be the first time where they take your tukuru. I see me, I be this. Welcome to my channel. My name na Soma. Before I continue today's video, make a reminder na. You see that red button there where they write subscribe. Click that button, make you subscribe. After that, make you click the bell sign so that anytime I upload new video, you go hear the notification say I don't upload new video. Na so na do na do. You know why they laugh? Somebody leave me comment say someone sister subscribe to this your channel. That notification where they talk, I never did see. That notification where they talk, I never they receive. He said that notification, I never they receive. I never they receive. That be no vex. You know, everybody phone different. So I don't know if you laugh. No vex. You know, everybody phone different. So people phone feel make man. So people go make bo. So people make po. Everybody. So everybody sound different. It depends the kind of phone where you they use. You're not correct phone you they use. Where your own no they make pass. Anyways. So today's video is something important I want to discuss with us. This today, my mind. I be want to do for the other channel. Sometimes you get some things where they make shame catch me. I no go want to do for that side. I go say me I can't do. Make it be saying only we. Sometimes, but sometimes I don't know. I feel still go do this video for the other channel later. Which I want to talk about. You see as our education be for Nigeria. Such education be for Nigeria where even as the quality of the education they so bad, so people still no fear afford that. We know many of us know the other time where one small girl where teacher they chase her for school because they say no pay school fees, I be no pay waiting. That girl we call later they popular. What they ever call that girl? If I don't forget the girl for worry. When they even can't show the school where they chase more picking, I say this one at school. Yeah. Standard of education they so bad. The time where I go school, how many years ago, it be like say that time we say quality no still good. But if they still look back, it be like say that time say better past nah. You they see as things they worse. Which I want to talk about. I want to talk about all this about pata there for government where will be saying that then they in charge. You they hear? Yet they don't fix the country. They don't fix the healthcare. They don't fix healthcare. They don't fix education. They don't fix all this problem. But you know what they do? All of them, their children they go abroad, go school. All of them. 2 weeks ago, I be 1 week ago now, the vice president for the country, in Pikin they graduate for one Ogbonge school for abroad. This man enter plane, he fly go see him Pikin graduation. I say congratulations. For my mind though, I not tell her face to face. Where I want see her, where I want congratulate her. But for my mind, I congratulate her. That better thing. Make your Pikin get good education. That better thing. I don't do video where I tell them I say this abroad where I come. As I still go school, he help me. You hear? He help me. No matter what you go see same and they tell people say our people waiting abroad. If you get chance to go school. It go change your level. I mean they tell you, even if you won't do business, if you fit, go do some kind of part-time courses just to brush yourself up. I mean they tell you, I know many of our Nigerian people say, okay, I don't talk. I know everybody brain if you carry school. Make we talk through. So people say if they go, they no go ever understand. Make I talk to because not everybody you understand. But if your brain go fit carry, go. The small way your brain go fit carry, say you know feed, if you say you know if you pass exam. Not be all of them be big school. Some of them are small school. Me I go university for this abroad. You dey hear? This university where me I go, to say in Nigeria, I not even sure I go because when I did Nigeria, if you see when I write my JAMB, if you see my result they good. But you know I don't get money to. You know, I don't get money to bribe enter. I know say bribe gone too much. Everybody they bribe to take enter university that time. I don't get money to take bribe. No go school. One of my one place I come to work as sales girl, the neighbor for the shop, the girl, he get less points than me. The girl enter Unibe go they do law. And they look when the girl tell me her point, I shock when the girl tell me her point. Papa bribe to put her for school. I know if you go for abroad now, I no bribe anybody. I go write my exam. I say I pass her. When I say I pass her, when I say I pass her through away. One time, I go do nothing. No bribe, nothing. As long as I get my school fees. You understand? Pay your school fees, do education. You know, you hear me. But for Nigeria, many poor men children no fit go school. Even the ones where they still manage. Even the ones where they still manage enter. Strike for how many months? They go upon everything. Vice president, I don't want to forget when I point they go. The vice president Pikin, you don't go school for abroad. I congratulate her. I don't talk down Abi. The next thing I can see picture of what did they call her? The president where Pikin to graduate for abroad university too. Maybe congratulations. You know, say good to the wish people. You go to the follow people celebrate. I celebrate with them. But what I won't talk. You see that thing way good for them. It's good for everybody. As education good, it's good for everybody. Here they hear, it's good for everybody. You see as the country be. They no fix anything for that country. Education a problem, but they go put their own children abroad. Show you they see. The same thing, healthcare na zero. When them sick, they go fly abroad. Why our people still there inside the mess? As the country be, they live like that. Their own children they go abroad, they go get every best thing for this world. The country where they be president for inside. Other people just they manage. Other people just they manage. I even shocked when I say some Nigerian and Ghana they go university. And I will be giant of Africa. I will be giant of Africa. What I want to talk again is this. It never reach. I don't say say our country, all this kind of thing, no possible. But if you think it no go good. If we in our opinion, me had to say maybe if they say where they ban all these people with the government, maybe they ban they say una no fit send our children go abroad, una no fit go hospital abroad, say una must manage as it be. If they say we fit do that kind of thing, by force, maybe they for fix our country. I be what you not think? What you not think? What you not think? You go see ordinary person, you go just get small injury. One should be that then I say what one woman where they say they will say the rush person go hospital, they enter hospital no get oxygen. Ordinary oxygen, hospital no get. When they're sick in a one flight, boom, they don't reach abroad. I mean, what you not think? What you not think for this matter? You know, go make they do law where go ban them. Say all of una. Tell me the person where did the government where their children never go abroad, go school. I never see you. I never see even ordinary local governments there, ordinary governors for state, all of them now abroad their children they go school. I been a pastor there, the same thing now. She be all the pastor too now abroad their children they go school. Now the everyday people now then they suffer the country. If you take us a time, it go be like me you they cry. You know say it no affect me now. She be me a day here. All my children, all my children they go school for here. Yeah, they go school for here. They write the exam, they pass, they enter university, they do their own. I don't talk before I get my children. I get children don't grow up. I know the fear. My own side. They tell they say I want more to go school. No matter waiting again, I they tell my children say I want more to go university. I want more to go university. After you finish university, anything we want to take your life do, now you sabi. But I won't make sure you again go university because I know how university education they teach change person, even for person mentality. I make the type of way they abroad. If you get the chance, so because I know they tell everybody no be the same. If you get the opportunity to go school, go school. You go to some Nigerian people who don't they abroad for many years. They go say you they go still be shaky because why? Maybe they no get liver. Schools sometimes they give you liver. I be how una see this matter? Education they change person. It they change person. See as the country be now. If you they think and reach tomorrow, they know the thing, you know, say me now, it no affect me. But sometimes, you know, for this life, you know, go say because something no concern you, you know, go talk put. You know who they talk put. You understand? You know who they talk. Many of us were there abroad. Many of them they watch me for abroad. I surprised that last video where I do. Last week I be which day I do one video where I ask her. The one where I cook. That video where I do where I cook outside the hen. When I ask her, I'm not gonna talk when for they watch me. The thing shock me. Oh, some people they watch me for India. Some people they watch me for even Nigeria. I don't know. You know, sometimes they make mistakes. Say people, I not go lie. Make I talk true. And if you say people in Nigeria, the credit no, they're not going to get enough data to watch YouTube video. I no go lie. I because I feel say two things cost for that country. You know, sometimes they forget say some people in Nigeria their level high too. No, that would say they make mistake. Some of them their level high too. Many people they watch me from Nigeria, I surprised. Oh, I really surprised. What I don't know somebody they watch me from India. Different country where they mention as they say, internet good oh, it good. Internet really good. So, but many of our people, when they watch me, then they're abroad. Many people still, they try to come out for that country every day. People, they try to come out. Why they won't come out? Because they look that country, no headway. No headway. No headway. So, me, I feel say, if they force them, say, una not carry on children come out for this country. Una children must go school for this country. Una children must go school for this country. Una must do, if una sick, una must go hospital for this country. Anything we do in a family, una must stay this country. I feel say by force, therefore improve. But think, Anna, no matter how the country scatter rich, no matter how it is maybe see rich, and how they talk about, no matter how it is poor rich, you know they affect them. Why they go bother? Why they go bother when they affect them? Their life just smooth. Anything with them want, now one plane, they don't reach where they go. How you go take? How they go change? That's why I think how they go great changer. But to say that by force, say they must. Therefore change them by force. I don't know. I watch that. Like I talk when I see all those pictures of their children. Say them go school abroad. That's why I congratulate them. God knows it from my heart. Na good thing. But those good education where their children receive, where their children they go receive for abroad, it's good for other people's children too. Even I'm not talking about they send all the children abroad, but I make them send all the Nigerian, everybody from Nigeria send them abroad. Nobody how they talk. Our country make them still improve. Make the children for Nigeria at least still manage the one way they for grant. So my people, What you una mind? What you think about this matter? Make una put, una leave comment for comment section below, my people. Make we discuss this thing. We know say we no fit change country, but at least make we still discuss am small. That's why I see am. That's why I see am, my people. Be like I go end today's video for there. And una do well so that go watch my video. Until next time, my people. Na bye bye you. Na bye bye.